Oh, folks, did I go to the washroom wrong or something? You might be thinking negatively of what's going on here and what you're seeing, but the jokes I say go like this. Oh, it's gone, but here comes the jokes anyway. Knock knock. Who's there? Avery. Avery who? Every time I come to your house, we go through this. I haven't been to your house, but I'll get there one day, folks. And now, why did your sister shoot the alarm clock? Because she felt like killing time. Alright? Now this question goes, why is a dog scared of a fire? And the answer is, it doesn't want to become a hot dog. Oh, well, you know how you feel there, doggy. But now next joke goes, a camp doctor goes, your cough sounds better today. And the camper goes, it should. I practiced all night. And finally, what's a blonde's mating call? I think I'm drunk. Telling you folks these jokes is so cool.